Buying a Honda is supposed to be one of the safest car purchases you can make. But sometimes the real problem is the dealership adding extra costs that most buyers never notice. Today we're looking at Honda dealership tricks you should know before buying, because one small detail in the paperwork can end up costing you thousands. If you care about protecting your vehicle with real facts instead of marketing hype, hit that subscribe button right now. Number 7. The forced add-on package. You walk into the dealership expecting to pay the price you saw online or the one the salesperson mentioned on the phone. But when it is time to finalize the deal, the number suddenly goes up. Now the invoice includes things like protection packages, wheel locks, nitrogen tires, and paint protection, listed as if they were always part of the car. Are these actually required when buying a new Honda? Most of these packages cost the dealership very little, often under $100. But they end up selling them to buyers for anywhere between $800 and $2,000. The reason many people agree to them is because they are often told as if they are required or already part of the car. Salespeople might say the package cannot be removed because it has already been installed on the vehicle, which makes it sound like you have no choice but to pay for it. But in reality, these add-ons are not even mandatory. Dealerships simply rely on the fact that most buyers will not question it, especially when they are already deep into the buying process. What many people do not realize is that you still have the power to say no. If you tell them you are only willing to buy the car without those extras, the dealership often removes the charges to make the sale. Now, the forced add-on packages are just one way the final price can increase. But there is another tactic dealerships have been using a lot more in recent years, and that brings us to number 6, the market adjustment trap. Dealerships add extra money on top of the car's original price, sometimes thousands more. So where is that market adjustment actually coming from? Is Honda adding that extra charge, or is it something the dealership decides to put on the price themselves? Honda sets an MSRP, which is the suggested price, but dealerships are not required to stick to that number. They are allowed to charge more if they want to, but it is entirely their decision. Visiting more than one dealership can make a huge difference. Taking time to compare prices can often save you a surprising amount of money. Once you move into the finance office, dealerships introduce their most profitable add-ons, like the extended warranty. Many buyers are told they need it to secure financing. But Honda vehicles already come with a factory warranty from the manufacturer. If you feel pressured to buy it right away, that is usually a sign to slow down and think it through before agreeing. If you're enjoying this content, hit like and subscribe. Number 4. The low monthly payment illusion. A lot of buyers walk into a dealership mainly thinking about one thing, the monthly payment. Salespeople know this, so instead of focusing on the total price of the car, they guide the conversation toward what you will be paying each month. Dealerships can make a monthly payment look lower simply by stretching the loan over a longer period. Instead of a 5-year loan, they might extend it to 6 or even 7 years, which brings the monthly number down and makes the deal feel more affordable at first. But what many buyers do not immediately notice is what happens over time. Even though the monthly payment looks smaller, you are paying for the car for a much longer period. This usually means paying much more in total by the end of the loan as interest adds up. The total price of the car and the length of the loan matter far more than the monthly payment. First, focus on the actual price. Then look at the loan length, and finally the monthly payment. Number 3, the trade-in value trick. The dealership will give you a value for your old car. Instead of lowering the new car price, the dealership may simply raise it somewhere else in the deal. When they hear their old car is worth more than expected, it feels like a great deal. But what goes unnoticed is how the other numbers change to balance everything out. Negotiate the price of the new car first. Once finalized, only then should the trade-in be discussed. 2. The documentation fee surprise. Buyers often notice a charge for handling paperwork at the final stage. In some places, the fee might be $100, while others it can go up to $700 or more. If they say the fee is fixed, you can ask them to adjust the car price instead. 1. The last-minute contract change. Everything seems finished and you have already taken the car home. Then you get a call saying there was a problem with the financing. This is spot delivery. They may ask you to sign a new contract with a higher interest rate or payment. Slow down if this happens. Compare the new contract with the original agreement carefully. If something does not look right, you can ask questions or consider other financing options. Buying a Honda should be simple, but knowing what to watch for can save you thousands. Subscribe for more financial literacy tips and check out our other videos on the screen now.